Do you feel that the business world is meant for you? Do you think that you can conquer and survive in this constantly changing business market? Well, then you are at the right place. Many people think that starting a business is not that difficult. All you need is a good idea, some investment, and a lot of passion. But when they actually enter the market, that's when they realize the harsh realities and the challenges that they face. And this happens due to a lack of or absolutely very little administration. Hello everyone and welcome back to University Guru. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why a BBA is really important if you're trying to build a new business or trying to sustain your business in today's ever-changing times. So make sure to stay tuned till the very end. So before moving on ahead with the video, let me tell you a little bit about what University Guru really is. So University Guru is a top-notch online platform that provides you all the complete and detailed information about the top universities of India, whether it be online or distance, so that you can make a choice, an informed choice as per your preferences. So first and foremost, let's start with what exactly is a BBA. So a BBA is a 3-year undergraduate degree program that provides you the complete understanding about business, about entrepreneurship, management, and all things related to commerce as well as running a business. The curriculum covers topics like finance, entrepreneurship, management, business analytics, and so on that not only change you as a person personally but also help you grow in your career professionally. So there are different types of BBA programs depending upon your convenience and your preferences. So we'll take a look at each one individually. First is your regular or your normal BBA, where you have to actually attend classes in person by going to college and give your exams in person and all of that. That comes under a regular or an in-person offline BBA. Second is your online BBA, where your entire degree is completely online, including your exams, your assignment submission, your interaction with your peers and your professors. Everything is done online at the convenience of your home or the location of your choice. Professionals or working professionals or individuals who don't have the time to go to college in person usually opt for online courses such as an online BBA. Finally is a distance BBA. It is very similar to an online BBA, but in the online mode you have to interact more with your teachers and your students, and you have to be present at all times. But in the distance course you are left on your own a lot more, so you are provided with a lot of self-study materials that you have to take responsibility upon and complete your degree as per your preference. So when we talk about eligibility, you need to have a 10+2 degree or an equivalent degree to be eligible to apply into a BBA course or any undergraduate course in general in this country. Normally, there are no entrance exams conducted for BBA courses, but the IIM, that is the Indian Institute of Management, which is spread out all over India, conducts a common entrance test to admit students into their colleges at an exclusive level. Apart from that, Delhi University or any other private universities might conduct some admission procedures or any entrance exam at the private level to get admission into the BBA program. So when we talk about fees, the regular courses normally cost from 1 lakh to 2.5 lakh rupees, and for online courses the fee is quite less. It starts at approximately 75,000 rupees and should go up to 1.25 lakh rupees. So now the most common and the most natural question that will arise is, what is the point of doing a BBA? So let's take a look step by step. First is that you will learn the complete understanding, you will get an overall understanding of how to run a business or how to sustain a business, as you are taught a lot of subjects. Secondly, you get to choose a specialization of your choice in the online mode specifically, such as finance, commerce, management, business analytics, and a lot more, which a lot of universities normally offer you in the online mode. So you can choose your program in the field of your choice and lead your career in the desired direction that you want to take it into. So the business world is nowadays constantly changing, and a BBA program normally teaches you all of the things that you need or the tools necessary that will help you survive in this constantly dynamic, constantly changing business environment. Finally, through stuff like case studies, projects, assignments, you get a first-hand experience of what it will be like in the actual world when you're running a business, but at a much lesser cost. So the BBA program basically makes you very, very confident to actually step into the real world. So here are some of the specializations that you can expect in a BBA course. They are displayed on your screen, and they include marketing, finance, human resources, business management, international business, retail, sports management, supply chain, computer applications, among many other things. So typically after BBA course, you can expect to take upon these job profiles as you can see on the screen, and the most popular ones include brand manager, sales manager, BDM, account manager, and research manager. So the average salary of a freshly graduate BBA graduate is at 2 lakh per annum to 4 lakh per annum, and of course this can increase if you opt for a master's degree and with time of course, and it can go up to 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. So overall, a BBA course is a very great course if you want to shape and redefine your career. And of course, if you have any questions, then you can contact us on the number given in the description box below, as our experts at University Guru will help you find the best course and the best university as per your preferences. So if you like this video, then of course give it a big thumbs up and share your comments down in the comment section below, and of course make sure to subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.